landing of this drone. It just go like nakabidyo ba? It just go like that. The successful landing. That's it. So
That means
my suggestion,
that
my
means-
comment is don't buy. Don't buy. 100%. Don't buy.
don't buy a Timo from Timo drone.
Timo. maybe the remote will fly. Let's try. Let's try.
Well, it's working.
Let's see who is the better landing.
You know,
The
when you-
remote
well-
or the drone.
When you order Timo,
No! Oh, right. All the same.
when
Garbage.
you order Timo, that's what you get.
Yeah, that's what you get. All right. I think the remote is expensive than the. Good morning, my friends. We're going to the store today to pick up our new adventure experience. So we are going to upgrade a little bit our videos with this little flying thing. It's called the drone. I think this is the best time to fly this thing, and as a beginner we will try all the modes and we will try everything, how this DJI works and all the settings. So let's go. We arrive at our destination. Hopefully we're good to go, and let's go upstairs. We have a quick and easy store pickup, so we are not going to pay anymore. So we're going upstairs. So we're in the store to pick up our drone today. We have now the box package. Let's get our stuff and we're going back home. So guys, we are now in the car, and so we're home and we'll open it. We go outdoors. We can see all the scenery, the views from the top. Second package is the RC control, remote control of the drone. This is the drone. There is the drone with 4 electric fans to the left, up and bottom, to the right, up and bottom. So we have 4 electric fans that make this drone fly upside down, that way, helix, rocket, and spotlight. Alright? And what else? Boomerang. Boomerang. We'll be flying the drone in the house. So I just started flying this thing. So it's flying right now. Oh, it landed in my hands. So I start the follow mode of this drone. This says gotta follow us. Gotta follow me? Come here. Oh no. Oh. Hindi natin kung mabait to. Ayun. Drone ito yun, drone.
Yan bagong laruan ni Lakay. New toy. Aba.
Drone, mag-picture lang yan. Babalik yan. Ayun siya, come to Papa. Come to Papa. Told you. Come to Papa. Here. I say here. Okay. Good.
May voice command pa.
Syempre. Tapos
Hindi nga.
circle. Okay.
Ayos
Videoan mo ako
I-edit mo na lang pag ano. Diba?
Circle tayo.
Yeah.
Asa mo lang konti. Nakita mo ko. Putangin na, bastos ka.
Ayan Ang cute niya na.
Ganito.
Tagalog pala yung ano.
Tingnan naman na.
Hindi pala ng Tagalog yan ah.
Yan. Isa pa. Next mode. Now. Rocket.
Baka tumama dun sa ano, sa puno.
Patas yan.
Ano ba? Umiiwas ah.
Hi. Tama na yan.
Go all the way up!
Sa ano ko yan eh.
Ay siya.
All the way sa... Nag-take siya ng picture sa atin yan. Pwede pa siya i-connect sa DJ yung ano sa Bluetooth. Yung Bluetooth sa ano, pag nagsalita ka.
Yeah. Oh yeah?
Sa microphone.
Oo.
Para yung nagre-record dito.
Na ano? Na voice ano niya?
Pag tapos na siya, bababa na yan.
Aba, okay yan ah.
Tama na.
Ano?
Spotlight, alam mo to.
Anong spotlight?
Spotlight. Tignan mo. Ako ay nagbablog ngayon. At itong tarantado na to, sinusundan ako. Ito, pagkakas pag-ispa ito eh. Saan ako pupunta? Sumusunod sa akin. Okay ka ba? Kung saan ako pupunta? Pupunta rin. Okay. Tama na. Next.
Sumusunod sa'yo ah.
Ante kayo, ano na lang.
Ayan. Anong mood yan?
Follow.
Okay, sige.
Tatakbuhan ko to ha.
Sige.
Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion. 3, 2, 1.
Bilisan mo daw tumakbo! Ayan. Balik ka dito, balik! Ay, naglaro ang bata. Naglaro ang bata.
Come to Papa.
Okay yan ah. May laruan ka na, boy. Selfie daw kami.
Ano? Cheers!
Nagpipicture na yan?
Oo, pipicture yan. Parang ngayon, ano siya?
Okay pala yun, oh.
Babalik siya. Okay na to pag yung nagbabike ka, susunod ka nito. We will fly at a very high elevation with this drone. Alright?
Here we go.
Alright. Let's go. Balik ka sa lakas.
Gaano kataas yan? Hindi ko na makita. Mag-warning naman yan eh.
Oh, bago battery.
Mag-warning naman yan. Pag, sige, taas mo lang. Kung gaano kataas siya.
Ayos to. Taas na.
Oh, taas na nga oh. Kita na ba ang view lahat? Oh, ayan oh, ganda naman eh. Kaya rin. Hindi pag nag-off-road ka tapos may taga-pilot ka?
Oo.
Di ba?
1.7
Ay,
meter.
taas na oh.
Max altitude reached.
Ayan na, yun na yun.
Tapos,
So hanggang doon na
Ibog natin siya doon.
Oo, dyan ka na. Ano mo na? Naka-cinematic ka ba or
normal lang.
normal?
Ayun siya.
Ayan.
Dapat na.
Bagong laruan ni Lakay Rex.
Taas na raw.
New driver.
Yung driver.
Ano
Kaya
yung
So when the battery is low, the
Right there.
aircraft is back.
going down. Sa
The
home
drone
point
is
niya.
back.
Diba?
And
So
when
when
you
you
back home,
took off, then
Right.
it will come back
good girl.
to land.
Good girl. Sweet. You've
Now it's
been
back.
too far. Up in the sky. It's battery low, that's why. Alright.
Okay.
One by one to ah. This
So
is a cool
So let's try the voice
Cool
command.
toy.
Okay.
Hey, fly.
Hey fly.
Go ahead.
Circle.
Circle.
This is a voice command. It's gonna take off itself. Because we are sitting, so it's gonna move around this height, this elevation only.
Ah.
So it should be, you should be standing at least to avoid the obstacle. So right now, it's hovering, it's circling us. Yeah. So we're just sitting down right now. But if you are standing up, then the drone will be a little higher. And it's going to land. And it's going to land. Okay.
Ayos.
Now we know. Alright. And next,
Kailan mo na ng partner business lang ay.
bracket because we're just sitting.
Ako yung taga ano.
It's going up now.
Bakit na kayo mayaman nun?
Now it's going to return home because it's low battery. Salita ka yan, low battery ka mo.
Now it's gonna
It's low battery, so it's gonna go
return
home.
back. It's gonna return to home point.
Home for good.
And babalik na.
It's going to land now.
Ayun, no?
Yeah, this is what you pay what you get. It's fucking intelligent. Intelligent drone.
Sana all.
Woo! I love this guy, man. I love this guy.
Ayos,
out,
ayos.
peace out, peace out.
Good job, good job.